Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Donahue. I wanted to do a quick video for you to show you step by step how to access work when you're absent and then how to complete it and submit it as well. So when you're on my Canvas page, you're going to click on Let's Get to Work, and all of the assignments are posted by week. So here is the week of September 27th, that's this week. Yesterday was a catch-up day, we had no homework. Today we have a couple of assignments, and then of course I'll add things the rest of the week. But going back to last week, there are also several assignments posted. What I want to do is walk you through something called Kami first. Very often when I post assignments, they are posted in a program called Kami, which allows you to type in and draw on assignments and then submit them electronically. So we did this together in class on Friday, and I want to show you how it works. So let's just click on this. It's always going to ask you to load in a second window, so click on that. And then up comes this Kami assignment. And this was just a practice assignment that I created so that you could get used to using all of the different tools that you might need for an assignment. So the directions tell you to, number one, click on the text box tool on the left-hand side of the page. Okay, this says text box. Yours might look like just a capital T, but when you hover over it, it does say text box. So you click on it. From here, you can change the size of the font and you can pick colors. So I'm going to pick green. Actually, I'm gonna stick with black for now. And then the second one says click underneath the circle and make a text box. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm just going to click right underneath the circle, and that is a text box. Back up to the directions, it says type the names of your favorite Halloween candies in your text box. So once you have a text box here, you can go ahead and simply start typing. So let's say we like peanut butter cups, and we like Snickers bars, and one more, let's choose Skittles. Okay, so that was step number 3. Step number 4 says highlight your text and change it to a size 24 font. So we can do this a couple of different ways. You're going to go back to your text box and you're going to click right at the end of where you typed, and you're going to highlight all the text. From here, you can choose the font size and the color, or you can also go up here and choose the font size and the color. So let's just choose 24 font, and the directions then say highlight the text again and change it to the color orange. So we're going to go back to that text again. It's still highlighted. We're going to click the color palette here and we're going to choose orange. And then you're going to hit save. Oops. Let's try it again. And now our text is orange. If you hover over the box and you see this plus sign here with the arrows, you can move the text box anywhere you want to. Okay, the red X gives you the option to click off of it. So we followed the first few steps. Number 6 says to click on the Add Media tool, oops, and choose the G for the Google image search. So down here is Add Media. You're going to click on it. These are different ways to add media, images, videos, and things like that. We're going to choose the G. Google image box shows up, and we are going to search jack-o'-lantern. And several different images of jack-o'-lanterns show up. So in these directions, it just says scroll through, look at all these cool jack-o'-lanterns that are in here. I'm going to choose this one. And when you click on it, there's a blue box around it, and you're going to click select. It automatically brings the image to your screen. You're going to click it, and drop it. You can also make it smaller by going to this dot and making it smaller so it fits. Mine's having a hard time though right here. So I'm just going to place it in the circle. Okay. Paste the image in the circle below. That's what I did. When you're done, click Submit at the top right side of the toolbar. So let's just make sure we're done. We have a text box at the bottom with different kinds of Halloween candies. We've made it a 24 font. We've colored it orange. We went into Google Images. We found a jack-o'-lantern and placed that in the circle. And now we're going to go up to the top right corner of the screen where it says Submit, and we're going to click Submit and Submit. And you are done with this assignment. It's submitted to Canvas. I get a notification that you've submitted it, and I can check your work, and I can grade it, and I can make comments and let you know how you did. So that's how to use Kami for any of the assignments that I post. Stay tuned for a new video.